There are several types of proxy servers, each serving specific purposes based on functionality, security requirements, and network architecture. Here are some common types of proxy servers. HTTP proxy handles HTTP traffic and is used for web browsing. It can control and filter web access, making it suitable for content filtering and access control. HTTPS proxy, secure web proxy. Specifically designed to handle secure, encrypted HTTPS traffic. It provides security by encrypting and decrypting the data transmitted between the client and server. FTP proxy. Optimized for file transfer protocol, FTP, traffic. It facilitates secure file transfers and may include features such as access control and logging. SOX proxy. Supports various types of Internet traffic, including TCP and UDP. It is often used for bypassing firewalls and providing anonymity. SOX proxies come in different versions, SOX 4, SOX 5. Transparent proxy. Operates without modifying the client's request. It is often used for caching purposes and can improve performance by storing copies of frequently accessed resources locally. Anonymous proxy. Focuses on providing anonymity by hiding the user's IP address. It acts as an intermediary between the user and the destination server, preventing the server from directly identifying the user. Reverse proxy. Positioned on the server side, it handles incoming requests on behalf of one or more back-end servers. It can provide load balancing, caching, SSL termination, and additional security measures. Load balancing proxy. Distributes incoming network traffic across multiple servers to ensure optimal resource utilization, maximize throughput, and improve server availability. Transparent proxy. Operates without modifying the client's request. It is often used for caching purposes and can improve performance by storing copies of frequently accessed resources locally. DNS proxy. Resolves domain names on behalf of clients, helping to speed up the DNS resolution process. It may also be used for content filtering based on domain names. Anonymizing proxy. Focuses on providing anonymity by removing or modifying identifying information from client requests. It can be used to bypass content restrictions and enhance privacy. Forward proxy. Sits between client devices and the Internet, forwarding client requests to the Internet. It can be used for access control, content filtering, and caching. Residential proxy. Uses IP addresses assigned by Internet service providers, ISPs, to residential users. These proxies mimic real user behavior and are often used for web scraping, data harvesting, and ad verification. Rotating proxy. Involves a pool of IP addresses that change at regular intervals or based on certain conditions. This helps users avoid IP bans and access restricted content. These proxy types serve different purposes, and the choice of which one to use depends on specific requirements such as security, privacy, performance, and the intended use case.